Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover your Signal messages. First of all, you can open the Signal application. I can already open the app, and after opening the app, you can just see the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can now tap on settings, and here you can now tap on account, and make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply tap on your account data in the account section. Tap on this. After tapping on this, you can just simply export your data or export report as TST. Tap on export report, and after exporting the report, you can just again tap on export report, and after export report as TXT, and after this you can recover your Signal messages or anything that you lost. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.